Every human being has the right to life. When a country like Russia launches a war of aggression and kills people, soldiers and civilians alike, it violates that fundamental human right. That should be enough to get justice for those killed. The UN Human Rights Committee has said so, but in practice, it has never been done before. That is exactly what Legal Action Worldwide and partners are trying to change. Let us explain. The main source of protection in wartime are the Geneva Conventions. They're important because they act as a minimum standard for conduct in wars. But under these rules, soldiers are legitimate targets, even when they're defending against an aggressor. And civilian deaths violate the Geneva Conventions when warring parties don't respect the principles of proportionality and distinction. Proving this violation in court can be very difficult. Without proof, victims are treated as collateral damage, with limited options for justice. But there is a path to justice for all those killed by aggression. In its 2018 general comment, the UN Human Rights Committee clarified that all killings pursuant to an act of aggression violate ipso facto the right to life. In other words, every death caused by an illegal war of aggression is a human rights violation. Full stop. This new interpretation of the law was historic, but it has not been applied to a specific case. Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine is the first clear war of aggression since this general comment was published. Now is the moment to put this new legal tool to work. We used this reasoning in a complaint filed in 2024. We argued that Russia's attack on the city of Vinnytsia in 2022 that killed 28 people, civilian and military, violated their right to life. Now we are doing it again. When Russia destroyed the Kakhovka Dam in 2023, entire communities were flooded. Civilians lost homes, livelihoods, and lives. Are the hundreds that Russia killed just collateral damage? We argue that Russia violated their right to life, not only because of the devastating consequences of the dam's destruction, but also because these deaths resulted from Russia's aggression itself. If the Human Rights Committee applies its own legal reasoning, the consequences would be historic. Victims of aggressive war and their families gain expanded access to justice, including the right to reparations, in Ukraine and everywhere.